Hi everyone, Chaps here. Today we will talk about a new script running in Ubuntu. It will check for us the mining pool average response time. We will use a virtual machine running Ubuntu for Concealers. And to install, we will go on Actarius GitHub page and copy the link that you will find in the description below. Then open a terminal window, change the directory to the Conceal toolbox under optional directory, press enter, and then we're going to type the command sudo git clone and then the link we just copied. And press enter. We're going to have to enter our password. It's downloaded. Now we're going to change directory and go to just ping CCX pool directory we just installed. We'll make sure that all our files are here with the command ll to list everything. We will check that the script ping CCX pool.csh is here with the X letter here, which means it's executable. We will move the icon to the icon folder with the command sudo cp pp.png, and destination is the icon folder ~/.icons/pp.png, and then press enter. Now that is done, we're going to also move a copy the shortcut. The command will be sudo cp pingpool.desktop, and the destination is the local.local/share/application. Then press enter. And now that is done, we can launch our new script. We will close the terminal window and look for the new icon, which is here at the end, ping CCX pool. We need to enter the password. Press enter. We've got an error message. nping is needed for this script. So for that, we need to install it with the command sudo apt install nmap, because nping is part of nmap, and press enter. Now that it is installed, we can close the terminal window and relaunch our application. We have to enter our password again. I'll try to get it right this time. Okay, here we are. We have to select the pool we want to test. Let's try pool.conceal.network, for example. Let's try Cedric's pool and also a reminder. If you don't find your pool, you can also select other and type the address and the port you would use. Press OK. The test is now in progress for those three pools. And we will get the result sorted. The fastest one for us today from where we are is the one in the States from Eurominer. This tool helps us to find the closest pool and to spread the hash rate. Now that we are done, we can close this window. If you like Conceal and want to wear the colors of privacy, go check dodgelordcoffee.com. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.